My name is Brian James, and the purpose of this video and the pictures and video to follow this is I'm trying to save a sanctuary that has been in my family, which is their property, which for about the last 18 years it's been a sanctuary for a wide variety of animals. At one time there was probably 50 to 60 it's feral cats. Now there's probably, I go down there and I feed probably 25 to 30. I also take care of 7 dogs on top of those cats. And down there at the this is it's family's, my dad and mom, it's their home and it's on their property, and the area is located in a historical section of the east side of Indianapolis, Indiana. And it's also I also feed a lot of raccoons and possums and squirrels and birds there. I had moved back there about 18 years ago to help my parents with the upkeep and to watch the property while they would go to it's Florida 6 months out of the year to stay in their little trailer they had down there in a retirement village. And but while they were home during the other 6 months, my mom and I would feed all of the animals. My family moved there in 1953 when I was a year old from Fort Knox, Kentucky. My dad was in the Army. He had just gotten out of the Army there, came back from the Korean War, and we moved here in 1953. And it's been home to my family since. Its mother and I were both great animal lovers. The squirrels would come up and knock on the front door, like scratch at the front door for like food, and my mom would always get a kick out of that because they were like coming up saying, "Hey, where's our chow, lady?" And there were times on the back porch where there would be like a raccoon, a possum, and cats all eating out of the same bowls. It was just amazing to see all these animals that could intermix with each other and get along with each other and live together. Too bad mankind can't do that. But anyway, out of all those cats, it's 50 to 60 that we had there at one time, because the feral cats were getting out of control. I had approximately, I had them all fixed, but just a handful. And I found homes for a lot of the small ones when they were born, but I've been feeding, and up until last year, my mom passed away this last September. We had probably been feeding several generations of cats there. Go on, Spot. And as you can tell, I got cats running around here. And go on, communist. Go on, communist. Go on. My dad passed away 7 years ago. And it put a burden on my mom. But anyway, we got by. We kept feeding the animals. Come on, communist. And now that my mom passed away, thanks. The executor, which is a family member, and she's not an animal, doesn't like animals that much, I don't think. But anyway, she told me to pack my stuff and take my animals and get the hell out this last May, because she had a serious buyer for the house. Well, it's October, and the house is going up for auction next week, which will be the 15th of October 2009. It's awful hard to go on YouTube and ask strangers, completely, folks that I don't even know, for help. But the property where this house is located is ideal for like what I've been doing, and my mom. I mean, we've been feeding all the animals: cats, dogs, squirrels, birds, raccoons, possums, and it's in a, there again, it's in a historical area. It's near East Side, and it would probably be the first in the nation in a historical area to have their own animal sanctuary and animal rescue. But that's my goal, to start a non-profit animal sanctuary dash rescue, and put it in its middle name.